Great day! Mabuhay! Get ready for a wild recap, overflowing with cash, creatures, curls, chaos, and pure courage. This is Would You Sit in Snakes for $10,000? Mr. Beast style, Beast Mode style, the Voice Master style. Let's drop the beat and let the madness begin. Imagine this, a shiny metal tub packed to the brim with writhing, hissing snakes. Mr. Beast steps up. Hey you! Sit in this tub and your mom gets $10,000. First guy doesn't even stick around to hear the full offer. He's gone. Second guy, he's braver, curious, and definitely motivated by cash. Then comes Brian, the snake handler. He starts piling 20 snakes onto this poor soul like he's topping a pizza. And the guy, he just sits there, arms clenched, heart racing. The snakes start coiling and slithering, getting a little too interested. But he holds his ground, and just like that, 10,000 secured. For his mom, for the glory, for the beast within. Now, we jump from snakes to the cockroach cash box. A clear cube stuffed with 15,000 and giant, nightmare-inducing roaches. Mr. Beast calls in Jeff, the sound guy. Mic off, gloves on. Grab as much money as you can in 60 seconds. Jeff dives in, bare hands, panic mode engaged. His fingers dodge between bugs and bills. Sweat pours. A roach taps his hand. Jeff screams. And Jimmy? He casually says, "Oh, I forgot to start the timer."